The Nissan Skyline GTR Twin Turbo. In our workshop today, the engine's coming out. Why is the engine coming out? Big end bearing failure. Number 6 conrod spun its bearing. So a full engine stripped down, an engine refit. Because this baby's 4-wheel drive, we've got to take out the front drive shafts. The drive shafts run through the sump, so we disconnect the drive shafts and we can remove the engine. Let's get this engine cover off, take a look underneath. Empty its coolants, then we can take the radiator out. With it being a big straight 6 engine, there's not a lot of room. Not an easy feat to do, but we'll get there in the end. Out with the engine mounts, using a flex head ratchet. With that methodical with this job, we document everything. To get to the top gearbox bolts, we have to remove the engine mounts. We then can lower the engine, then we can get to the bolts. There we are, top gearbox bolts out. Off with the rocker cover, don't want to cause any damage. Getting ready for the engine eye, so we can lift that bad boy out. Suzanne documents every stage of the build, from start to finish. That wiring can be a bit of a pig. You just got to be patient. And there she is. Right guys, it's been a long time since I've done one of these and an engine like this. A number of things that were found that were a nightmare were top 14mm bolts. We had to take this rocker cover off here. Another annoying thing is there was 2 temp sensors hidden right underneath the manifold, and the worst thing is with them is they're not a push lock. They're locked in with one of them, and you've got to get your hands right in there with something sharp to pop it out, but it's right up in the manifold, and that were a nightmare. But as we lifted it out and took more off it, we could get it higher and higher and higher. And here we are, ta-da! Clutch, that was a bit of a pain in the bum, but yeah, it was nice, it's done and dusted. So we'll get it on an engine stand, we'll strip it for you and we'll show you exactly what's gone wrong. Take a look at them bores, they look stunning. Skimmed face, done at William Drake's Bradford, members of the Federation of Engineering Manufacturers, done to British standards. All the new parts. I'm looking forward to this rebuild. Brand new genuine crankshaft, flown in from Japan. Big thank you to JDM Garage. Fantastic help they gave us with all the tightening torques we needed. ACL race bearings, big ends and mains. Refit the oil spray jets and tighten to the torque setting. Get that brand new genuine crankshaft in there, maintaining the value of the vehicle. Sure, I'm looking forward to test driving this baby when she's up and running. Turn the engine, make sure there's no resistance. Look at that, absolutely stunning. The cylinder head we had pressure tested and skimmed. Valve removed and decoked, new valve stem oil seal. Now we're starting to come together. All the gaskets supplied by BGA. Of OEM quality. Keeping the engine as standard as possible. New timing belt and tensioners. Brand new upgraded oil pump. And now she's starting to look the part. It's a tight fit. On this job, guys, it's better to remove the gearbox and fit the gearbox and the clutch on the floor before you lift the engine in. There's Suzanne doing her bit. And it's all looking very nice. Legend of a car. That gearbox weighs some though. Brand new spigot bush in the back of the crankshaft. There I am locking the clutch together. Absolutely killing, yeah. It was this start, no break away from work, well.
And there we are, ready for lifting in. She's a big old boy, as you can see. This one was surely purely a team effort. Inch by inch, step by step, we had to be careful on such a rare beast of a car.
Oh my gosh.
My advice when refitting, start the wiring before you lower too far, or else you'll never get to it. She's on the mounts. And we're finally looking like a car again. Not far to go before she's up and
Guys,
running.
we've got the big long process over and done with now. We've got a couple of little bits to finish off and get this GTR back on the road. Really looking forward to test driving this bad boy. And that's going to be the next video, us turning the key. So thanks for watching, come again. And remember, if you need my help and assistance at all, please feel free to contact me on 01274 663 999. Email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Find us on Facebook, give us a like and come again.